Hello everyone, welcome to Buzz Crimson. I wanted to make a quick video on how you can still invest in GameStop without any restrictions. I mean, there's a possibility that by the time you get to watch this video, they might have restrictions in the methods I'm going to show you, but hey, as of now it works, so let's get to it. The idea is very simple. GameStop stock is included in a lot of ETFs. I'm going to show you three different ETF choices, which have really high exposure to GameStop. So choice number one, Gamer, has 27% exposure. If you look in its chart for the last 5 days on the left and GameStop on the right, identical chart. So theoretically, if you invested in the ETF Gamer, you would have experienced the same type of gains or losses. And it's significantly cheaper. Just a thought, right? Here's another choice. XRT, same story, significantly cheaper. Should not have any restrictions. Last choice, RETL from Direction, same story, same type of chart. The only difference between the first two and this one is this is a leverage ETF, so this will be significantly more volatile, but it should do the job. In fact, I had positions in RETL. I already closed my position with close to 30% profit. So that is it. Thank you for watching.